Alright, grade 6, let's talk about why yesterday we got so confused with getting the right answer. And it all comes down to the conversion. So right here we see 1 centimeter equals 2 meters. So the thing you have to do, the thing we have to do, and the thing we must learn is we always convert first. You guys were amazing at figuring out the length and the width and figuring out area and area of a parallelogram. But if we don't convert first, our answer is always going to be wrong. And this time, because we were centimeters was half, 1 is half of 2, we got half of the answer. So let's try and figure it out what it would be properly. So I'm going to grab a blue one. I'm going to see 16 centimeters times, oh, there's my keyboard, times, I'd like it to be blue, times 2 equals 32 meters. So let's work with 32. 5, make it blue, times 2 equals 10 meters. 12 times 2 times 2 equals 24 meters. And 3, you guessed it, times 2 equals 6 meters. So now the blue numbers are the numbers I'm going to work with. And let's talk about what our different equations are. So area of a parallelogram, so I'll call it a p-gram, equals base times height. Area of, so I'll make a capital A for area, and base times height, B times H. Awesome. Area of a rectangle, A equals length times width. I'm going to move that so that we can see it on the other side of the page, but just let me finish it up. Okay, perfect. So let's grab it, put it over here. So now I know what I need to do. So let's find the pool first, because I need to know what is the total area that the pool takes up. That's one of the questions. So I see here that it is base times height, so A equals B times height. Area equals, my base is 24 meters, times 24 meters is one dimension, times my height, which I see up here, 6 meters. 24 times 6. 24 times 6 is the same as 12 times 12, so it's 144 meters squared, because I'm now working in 2 dimensions, base and height. So I know that this one, that is my area of the pool. Base times height for parallelogram. Area of the deck is the rectangle, so that's the big outside piece, and I see area equals length times width. Area equals 32 times 10, 32 meters times 10 meters. Therefore, the area equals 320 meters squared. Remember, when we're working in area, it's a meter squared because I'm working in 2 dimensions, the length and the width. So a 2 dimension is squared. A single dimension, as in just around, just the length around something, is not squared. That's how we do perimeter. And when we get into volume, it's length times width times height. So there's 3 dimensions, so it becomes cubed. So meters squared, you can write meters squared, or you can even draw with a pencil and just do your little 2. I can't do that because I don't have that ability on this thing right now. So now am I done? I've got the deck, I've got the pool, but the pool and the deck, I gotta subtract because I don't want deck in my pool, so I've got my 320. I'm gonna minus my 144, and that's going to get me my answer. So 320 minus 144. Let's do that, and 320 minus 144 is 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus that is 11 minus 4 is 7, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 176 is my final answer. So it's 176 meters squared is the deck. So the deck space is 176 meters squared. The area of the pool is 144 meters squared. And around the outside, as we discussed and decided on in class, if I wanted to figure out what my perimeter was, perimeter equals length plus width times 2. So my perimeter equaled 20. Oh, my perimeter equals length 10. So 42 times 2. So my perimeter equals 84 meters. So there were the 3 answers for today's question. There's the perimeter. Okay, I hope that made sense, and we are going to work on one question today where we make sure we do our conversions first. Always convert first and then work with the real numbers. Thank you.